Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to begin by confirming physical and power basics, then jump straight into settings. First, inspect each cable and port, HDMI, display port or USB-C, and reseat them. Loose plugs cause 80% of problems. Once done, turn both monitors on and use the monitor OSD to set the right input. Make sure your laptop isn't sleeping and that any docking station has power. These steps clear hardware issues, so software changes will take effect reliably. Now you'll configure the system to use both screens. Open Display Settings, Windows, Settings System Display, or System Preferences on Mac. Click Detect if a monitor is missing. Choose Extend to expand your desktop or Duplicate to mirror. Arrange the displays by dragging them to match physical placement so the mouse moves naturally. Set one as the primary display, then match resolution and scale to prevent blurry text. Finally, check refresh rate. Mismatched rates can cause stutter, so set both to the highest supported common rate. Finish by updating drivers and testing connections so the setup stays stable. Use Device Manager or your GPU vendor app to install the latest display drivers, then reboot. If a screen still fails, swap cables or try another port. This isolates a bad cable or port. If problems persist, test the monitor with a different PC to rule out the monitor itself. One quick troubleshooting tip: boot with only one monitor connected, then hot plug the second. This forces the OS to rediscover.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.